Good morning, and let's get to work. Aeroflex has been around for quite a number of years now, and with our number one goal of helping our friends and colleagues and customers within the aerospace industry get to work and streamline the process by which we develop, create, certify, install, upgrade various types of avionics systems and aircraft. Today we'd like to announce two new products that add to that capability and add to that legacy. The first new product that I'd like to talk about is the 3550 touchscreen radio test system. This box actually looks a lot like some of our legacy products, and this, like if any of you have used the IFR 4000 or IFR 6000, but this is specifically created and targeted at being a portable or integrated unit for analog and digital radio system test. We can do full range of radio transmit and receive performance testing, cable fault analysis, and antenna system analysis, all using the touchscreen that you can see in the picture of it here, switching between screens using the touch of a finger or the slide of a finger across the touchscreen pad. The product weighs less than 8 pounds and is in display in our booth. The second product that I'd like to talk about today is our GPSG 1000 portable satellite simulator. Since we're here in Las Vegas and I'm in a bit of a betting mood, I'll bet that a lot of you out there would say that this is a safe bet. That a lot of us, whether we're OEMs or avionics shops, are involved in the creation, the certification, the installation of WASP-capable avionics systems. I would also bet that this product, as it stands today, and what I'm going to talk about today, will become a very valuable tool in terms of what's new for the industry, in the sense that this product can be used as a WAS approach LPV flight simulation tool that will speed the effort in terms of installing and upgrading and certifying your WAS-capable avionics systems within your shops. In a sense, what we're talking about is WAS installations faster. What the GPSG 1000 can do at its heart is create structured, repeatable, dynamic motion simulations or real-time flight. And that's pretty cool. It's got a wow factor because we can make an aircraft think that it's flying from point A to point B to point C and sequencing properly, but that's really just the surface of it. The real value to all of you out there is that when we're installing a WASP-capable avionics system, we can do flight plan functionality testing without ever leaving the ground. We can validate GPS receiver data such as latitude, longitude, positional accuracy, horizontal and vertical position integrities. We can validate GPS message triggers to other systems within the aircraft that rely on it, such as your ADS-B transponders, your flight management systems, or your autopilots. And we can basically, with a simulator like the GPSG, ensure or give ourselves a high degree of confidence that the WAS installation is going to function as planned before going to the critical flight demonstration test step. The other major benefit and the other major capability of the GPSG 1000 is because of this ability to create high precision WAS LPV approaches and flights. We can reduce the time required for the FAA demonstration time. For example, such FAA required tests like ground speed measurement, proper sequencing of WAS waypoints, and positional display scale changes can all be done on the ground, as opposed to including those into other ones that are already required when you're in the air. So you can reduce the amount of time that you have to burn fuel, burn aircraft time, by performing some of these certification tests on the ground prior to flight. And finally, the other major thing that the value that the GPSG 1000 would give you all is the ability to test your GPS receiver's basic sensitivities. We can't do that. A lot of us today have GPS repeater systems installed in our hangars or or roll the aircraft outside to see open sky just to make sure that the receiver can acquire a satellite signal. And that's all fine and good, but at the end of the day, you cannot test receiver sensitivity without a device like the GPSG 1000. At the end of the day, though, what we're talking about with this tool and the value that it provides is the ability to install WAS faster, decrease aircraft downtime, decrease the cycle time, increase your throughput, and therefore increase revenue. Please visit us. We have all of these products on display at our booth in 323 and 325. We have a training class later this week as well. Please look at your prospectus or the schedule of events where we're going to do an instruction on how to create WAS LPV approaches within the GPSG 1000 conducted by yours truly. And we'll also discuss the principles of transponder test with the IFR 6000. I look forward to talking to you all. This is always a fun event. And please do stop by and see our live demo of the GPSG 1000 on a WAS installation panel. And I hope you all have a great and productive show. Thank you.
Aero-TV's live coverage of the 56th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show is brought to you in part by the following sponsors. Ultra Electronics Flightline Systems presents the Oracle, offering intelligent power management for single and twin piston engine aircraft, and soon to be available in fixed-wing turbine and rotorcraft versions. Visit www.ultra-oracle.com for more information.